Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 8th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to see how we can have style rules in a different document and apply them to HTML tags in another document, right? So as you can see, I've got two documents opened up in my text editor. The one I have active right now is called external underscore css.html, and this is a document in which I have all the HTML code. But as you can see, I do not have a style section per se in the head section, and I do not have any inline styles either for any of the headings that are present in my body section. So let's take a look at the body section first. So within the body, I have four headings, and they're all of different levels. So I've got an H1 level heading, an H2, H3, and H4 level heading as well. So in the head section, as you can see, I have a link tag, right? And this is used when you have all your CSS code in a different file and you want to pull out the style rules from that document and have them applied to the tags that you have in your HTML document. So you have to type in link, give a space, type in rel or rel, give an equal to symbol there, and then within double quotes you have to type in style sheet, right? So this is going to instruct your browser that there is an external style sheet document through which the style rules have to be pulled. And then you have to put in your type values. So type equals text or CSS, and then you have to type in the href attribute. So people who have some experience with HTML would know what href is used for. It's used for external linking. So you type in href, right? href, give an equal to sign again, and then within double quotes you have to type in the location of your CSS file. So I have my CSS file in this folder. So this is the path, and the name of the document is css underscore master dot css. So you have to be careful with the extension here. The file in which you have all your CSS code will not have the .html extension, it will have the .css extension. So that's what you have to type in here. So you have to type in the full path, or if your HTML document and the CSS document are in the same folder, then you could just type in the name of your CSS file here. You could have just typed css underscore master dot css and that would have worked. So this is what your HTML document is going to look like, and inside the CSS underscore master file, this is what I have. So I've applied two rules to the H2 and H3 level headings. So I've changed the font style to italic, so the text is going to appear in italic, and I've also changed the color of the heading to blue. So now let's see how this this file is going to appear in our browser. So I'll go to the folder in which I have it, and it's called external underscore CSS. When I double click on it, this is what I see. So as you can see, the level 1 and level 4 headings are appearing in black, whereas the level 2 and level 3 headings are appearing in blue, right? So this is how you can have all your CSS code in one file, and this is very popular. A lot of people do this. Instead of putting their CSS code in the same document as they have their HTML in, they usually put it in a different file, so that if changes have to be made, they don't have to scroll down or look for tags or style rules and make the changes. They could just make the changes at one place in the master document, and they could apply the same to as many HTML files as they want, right? So that's it for this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video, in which we'll explore more CSS, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care.